And then you go on to say, this is where Ms. Vasquez cut you off and didn't let you finish.
I don't think that's in the transcript. Objection.
Judge disciplines Amber Heard's lawyer after acting like a maniac. Judge Penny Ascarate has disciplined Amber Heard's lawyer after some of his acts and comments during the trial. These are truly shocking. Does this mean the judge is now favoring Johnny? Keep watching to find out. The closing arguments in the defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have begun. X's lawyers began presenting final arguments in the current trial in Fairfax, Virginia on Friday, going over much of the evidence presented by each side since the trial began on April 11th. The judge was shocked and called for order when Amber Heard's lawyer, Ben Rottenborn, made a disturbing argument. Amber Heard's lawyer claimed that the Aquaman star would win the case even if she used an axe to sever her ex-husband Johnny Depp's finger. As the multi-million-dollar defamation case against the Pirates of the Caribbean star comes to a close, the actor's lawyers gave their closing arguments. Ben Rottenborn, Heard's lawyer, appeared to have downplayed the relevance of a violent brawl between Depp and Heard in Australia in 2015. Depp had previously said Heard had thrown a vodka bottle at me and took my finger off, which she later denied. However, Rottenborn said in court on Friday, as per The Independent, there's been testimony about what happened to cut the finger off, but frankly, it's irrelevant to your deliberations here. Amber could have chopped it off with an axe, and it has nothing to do with whether or not Mr. Depp abused her. He added, she didn't, but it doesn't matter. Let's see the monster. Let's see the monster in the flesh, Rottenborn added, before playing the video of Depp slamming cabinets in the former couple's kitchen. Meanwhile, Depp is suing Heard for defamation for a December 2018 op-ed she published about coming out with abuse allegations, albeit she did not mention him by name. Heard, for his part, is suing him for defamation and wants USD $100 million in damages. She alleges Depp initiated an internet campaign to trash her charges as fake and a hoax, causing her reputation and career to suffer. On the other hand, Depp's all-star attorney, Camila Vasquez, began by labeling Amber Heard an abuser. There is an abuser in this courtroom, but it's not Depp. There's a victim of abuse in this court, but it's not Heard, Vasquez said. Heard is in fact the abuser, and Depp is the abused. She added, on May 27, 2016, Ms. Heard walked into a courthouse in Los Angeles, California, to get a no-notice ex parte restraining order against Mr. Depp, and in doing so, ruined his life by falsely telling the world that she is a survivor of domestic abuse at the hands of Mr. Depp. Depp is hoping that this trial will help him reclaim his reputation, despite the fact that it's become a spectacle of a savage marriage, with broadcast cameras in the courtroom capturing every twist for an increasingly rapt audience of fans weighing in on social media and queued overnight for coveted courtroom seats. This case for Mr. Depp has never been about money, said Depp lawyer Benjamin Chu. This is about Mr. Depp's reputation and freeing him from the prison in which he's lived for the past 6 years. In a wholesome turn of events, however, Judge Penny Ascarate, who dismissed the jurors for the holiday weekend, applauded both legal teams and the court staff for their professionalism throughout the court proceedings. I'm a teen girl trying to make YouTube as a career, and my parents said that they'll only allow me to chase YouTube as a career if I reach 1,000 subs in 1 month. I will really appreciate you subscribing to make my dream come true. Now, back to the video. I just want to thank all of you for the professionalism and your hard work during this case, she said. It's much easier being a judge when you have excellent trial attorneys in front of you. It does make it easier, she added. And I also want to thank the attorneys and litigants for their kindness and the great demeanor you've shown my staff, and the courthouse staff and the deputies in the sheriff's department. I really appreciate it. It means a great deal to me, said the judge. Whilst there have been some very unusual developments in the courtroom, one can't help but laud the depths of professional loyalty that both Heard and Depp's legal teams have gone to. With that said, let's look at what the internet thinks. One user tweeted, Amber Heard's lawyer literally said she could have chopped off Johnny Depp's finger with an axe and it wouldn't matter, while arguing that Johnny was abusive because he called her names. Of course he called her names, you dumb fuck, when he was being physically and mentally abused. Another user said, Amber Heard's lawyer, Rottenborn, earned his law degree at Stanford Law School, one of the best schools out there. But how come his competency is so low? Really, graduating from a prestigious school does not mean greatness and intelligence. This user was of the opinion that, That guy from TMZ just owned Amber Heard's lawyer when she claimed that he was only out for 15 minutes of fame on the trial. Then he said, "I could say the same for you," taking Amber Heard as a client. Hashtag Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial. That's all we have time for in this video, folks. What do you think? Was Amber's lawyer wrong to say that? Do you think Johnny has a better legal team? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.